Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy again. Alright, I am giving you another update on my case. Alright, so I'm going to resume on a nutshell what have happened so far. Got arrested, got a ticket, signed my promise to appear. I received a letter 2 weeks later for a notice for a court appearance for a hearing. Showed up at the hearing, told the hearing officer that I do not consent to a plea, which I waive all the benefits. I did not sign the promise to appear either, and I just walked out. A little bit later, I was mailed another notice to show up for a pre-trial hearing, which I actually completely rejected, and I mailed back to them the first time. They mailed me another notice of pre-trial hearing that time, where they changed the date to a closer date, which is actually going to be next Monday. I think it's December 12th, I believe. That's when their pre-trial is going to show up. And, I served them many documents, no answer from them. About a month ago, in November 6th, I served on hand to that hearing officer my notice of understanding and intent and claim of right, which I gave them 15 days to respond. They did not respond to it. I also served them on November 22nd, about 2 weeks ago, a notice of abatement through registered mail, which also they failed to dispute or review. So here we are today, December 7th, 2010, and I am ready to file my notice of default and motion for dismissal, basically. So this is what I'm pretty much down to. So basically here I state that this case should be dismissed because the court has failed to bring material and fact to the defendant, which is me, and I haven't heard anything from them. I've sent them lawful documents requesting some questions to be answered. They failed to do so, so I am taking the matter in my own hands and requesting for these particular matter to be dismissed. So here it is, notice of dismissal. There's going to be 3 copies. 1 copy will be mailed to the court, 1 copy will be mailed to the city attorney, and the other copy will be mailed to the Utah Attorney General, just to make sure everybody gets the message there that that I've followed through. And this particular step here has a lot more documents. There's about 19 paperwork here that I'm going to send out. I've printed them out 3 times, all of them. I'm going to have this document, this notice of default notarized as well, and mailed out tomorrow morning. So I'll show you guys already the notice of default. Second page here, certificate of service, and those are the exhibits that I'm going to add to it. Exhibit number 1. This is my exhibit number 1. This is the notice of understanding and intent of claim of right, served to them on November 9th, 2011, on hand to an employee of the Murray City Justice Court. Attached as exhibit number 1, notarized document here. Next we have exhibit number 2, notice of pretrial arraignment which are rejected without prejudice. There it is right there, rejected without prejudice. Attached exhibit number 2. Exhibit number 3. There was the last petition that I sent them was the first amendment petition for abatement, notice of abatement for improper service. Here's that one as well. That one also included the memorandum of law in support, affidavit of denial of corporation existence of there. I mean, I took some time to put this together, and like I said, I'm giving it a shot. I don't claim that I know 100% what I'm doing, but so far I'm doing what I'm doing. Nobody's stopping me, so I gotta be doing something right. You know what I mean? If they feel like something is not quite right and they do have a way to answer me or defend themselves, they should have done so. So here's exhibit number 4. This is the proof of service of notice of abatement, which is this is very much the United States Postal Service here. Now this was done by registered mail, so you can see the signature here on the document here that they have actually sent me back here. So everything has been done in a lawful manner. So tomorrow, this is going to be my last, basically my last step here for this particular case to see if I'm going to get this thing dismissed. And remember, I got 4 charges here for violation. I will call them charges for violations that they're trying to get me with, and hopefully these last documents should handle it. I think I should get an answer from somebody if I file a notice of dismissal. I think that people will take me seriously at this point. So we'll wait and see what's going to happen. And also, I was thinking about my court day Monday. I remember I didn't sign any promise to appear. So I am promised to appear. In the notice of abatement, I've told them that I'm willing to appear if they really want me to, but they need to send me proper documentation. They need to send me a lawful summons. A notice to appear in court is not a lawful document for them to subpoena. To get a subpoena or summon you to the court. They need to send you a proper, valid document. Those notices are simply based in relation to your voluntary acceptance to show up at court. And obviously I made myself clear that I will not show up. So anyhow, guys, that's all I had for today. Super tired tonight. I've worked a lot on those documents, so I would follow up again, and I will let you guys know. I will actually also attach these last document, the notice of default, on the bottom section of this video. If you guys want to download it or whatever, you guys are welcome to. And until then, I will keep you posted again on what's going on, and if my case gets dismissed, then I will let you know. Alright, peace out.